Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Callum Moves, the home to reviews, how-tos, tips and tricks, and documenting my fitness journey. Today I'm excited to dive into the Peak Design Wash Bag, a toiletry organiser that's been generating a lot of buzz among travellers. Is it as good as people say? Well, let's find out. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Peak Design Wash Bag is sleek, minimalist, and feels like it was made for the modern traveller. It's got a premium look, but more importantly, it's built to last. This outer material is weatherproof, durable, and made from nylon canvas. It's tough enough to withstand the rigours of constant travel, whether you're in airports, campsites, or remote destinations. The zippers are also weatherproof and super smooth, which is a nice touch. I can't tell you how many times I've had toiletry bags where the zippers get stuck, but not with this one. Peak Design is known for its attention to detail, and it really shows here. Now let's get into the interior, where things get interesting. The Peak Design wash bag features a well thought out layout, and trust me, if you're the type of person who likes to stay organised, you're going to love this. We've got multiple compartments for all kinds of toiletries, zippered mesh pockets for smaller items, elastic loops for keeping toothbrushes, razors, and even travel-sized bottles secure. You can even fit a full-sized electric toothbrush in here. One of my favourite parts is how Peak Design has maximised the space without making the bag feel bulky. Everything has its place, and even when it's fully packed, it doesn't feel crammed. There's also this handy little toothbrush pocket with a magnet closure to keep your brush separate and clean. Although this is a bit too small for my toothbrush, so it's where I put my razor. The outer pocket is also sealed, and it fits. But either way, this is a great feature. I haven't seen many other toiletry bags. So let's see how it handles real-world packing. I've got everything from toothpaste, skincare products, deodorant, shampoo, and even my travel razor. As you can see, it all fits nicely. Nothing is sliding around or out of place. This is especially great if you're moving between different hotels or hostels on a long trip. Another small but brilliant detail is how the bag is designed to stand upright on its own. I can't emphasize enough how convenient this is when you're in a tiny hotel bathroom or camping with limited space. You can just place it on the counter and everything stays upright and accessible. But if you don't have counter space, no worries. There's a hidden hook right here which lets you hang the bag on a towel rack, shower rod, or even a tree branch if you're out in nature. I've personally found this really useful when camping or staying in hostels, where bathroom space can be really limited. Fully packed, the Peak Design wash bag still maintains a slim profile. It's compact enough to easily fit into your carry-on or backpack without taking up too much room, which is great if you're trying to pack light or travel with only one bag. I've been using this wash bag for a few trips now, from quick weekend getaways to longer international travel, and let me tell you, it's held up incredibly well. No wear or tear on the material, and everything stays organised just the way I like it. Alright, let's talk about a couple of potential downsides. One thing is to note is the price. The Peak Design wash bag is definitely an investment. It's not the cheapest option out there. But like most Peak Design products, you're paying for long-term durability and thoughtful design. If you travel often and want a bag that will last for years, it could be totally worth it for you. Another minor point is that it doesn't have a separate waterproof section for wet items, like a damp washcloth. While the bag's water-resistant design does keep everything mostly dry, a designated wet section could be a nice addition for some travellers. So is the Peak Design wash bag worth it? In my opinion, yes. Especially if you're looking for a high quality, long lasting and highly functional toiletry accessory. It's perfect for frequent travellers, campers, or anyone who wants to stay organised on the go. Overall, I give this bag a big thumbs up. If you're interested in picking one up, I've left a link in the description below. And as always, if you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you've got this far into the video, then why not watch the video currently on the screen, my review of the 8 hours sleep supplement and why I think it's the secret to unlocking the perfect night's sleep. Thanks again for watching. Stay healthy and stay curious.